Okay, this might be the weirdest thing I've ever bought at a yard sale, but I think it's worth a ton of money. All right, you guys, I'm at a swap meet today, and my only qualms with the swap meet is sometimes with these small vendors all together in booths is they charge a little bit more than the prices that I'm looking for. Again, totally fair prices, but I'm looking for prices that I can resell. So I'm hoping that I can find some really good stuff today. There's a few booths set up. If not, I do have some other community yard sales I can go to and a church sale that I can go to. So fingers crossed that this one works out, but if it doesn't, I have a backup plan. Hi, how much for these two?
So they said 5 for that, and is this the sweatshirt?
13?
Yeah.
What about 10?
Sure.
Okay.
Okay.
Thank you so much.
You.
My first stop was a swap meet. I picked up Gymshark Vital Seamless Leggings. They wanted $5 for these, that was fine. So it'll probably sell for like 25 bucks. Nice. This is a Champion reverse weave, size small. I like these with like the embroidered logo here. This is another 25 bucks. I don't know why. This is one of those things I picked up because I was like, this is kind of funny. Like a Nike Bomb Squad. I'm gonna have to do some more research on what this means or what it is, but it looks kind of fun. Vintage, it's like a vintage tee too. Made in USA, so maybe 20 bucks for that. Hey, $5 for the 2 shoes, there you go.
Thank you.
Thank you so much. Next up, 2 pairs of shoes, $3 for the Dr. Scholl's. These sell decently well, maybe 30 bucks, and they're in like really clean, good condition. Same with the Bally. Bally's made in Italy, and these look to be kind of maybe vintage. I don't know. They're $2, and I think they'll sell for at least 30, 35. Bally can sell for up to 200, just if it's like a newer style, but yeah, so that's pretty good. Okay, so these are all from here, and this one's from over there. So okay. Okay, here's 30. And thank you.
And then how much did you want?
$3?
Sure.
Okay, great. This one I picked up quite a bit. There was a lot of action going on here.
Was this the winning booth?
I would say this is the winning booth, yep. A lot of bread and butter stuff. Like, so a lot of things I got for really cheap, like $1 each, that I can sell for a lot more. So this is a Bendy and the Ink Machine. This is a video game.
I've never.
And Who's Laughing Now, Snapback. I see comps around $20 for this.
And you knew that?
Yeah.
You just knew it?
I did know this, yeah. Because I've sold Bendy and the Ink Machine merch before, actually.
Gosh.
Yeah.
Have you sold a keyboard?
Okay.
Sure.
No, I haven't. This is a Soft Surroundings. Soft Surroundings is like bread and butter, a long hoodie, good condition, probably 25 bucks. Ivy Park for $1. Ivy Park is Beyonce's brand. It's an athletic wear brand sold at Nordstrom. I've sold these hats for like 30 bucks in the past. I actually sold a hat, an Ivy Park Adidas collab hat for like $47. Another Ivy Park, like booty shorts, I don't know, 15.
Yeah.
Got some more Ivy Park. Love it, 25 bucks. I kind of picked these out for me. It's an AC/DC short sleeve. I think it's kind of fun. I like band tees. 75 cents for a Nike tee. Like, I don't know, if it's 75 cents and it'll sell for 10, 15, why not? I know, not even $1. This is Zara Sonic the Hedgehog sweatshirt. I don't know what this will sell for. I saw this kind of fun. Maybe $15. There we go. Full zip sweaters tend to sell better for me than hoodies or pullovers. So yeah, maybe 25 bucks again on this. I love Champion. This I picked up for me. Department of Pawnee, Parks and Recreation.
Love it.
I love it so much. A Harley Davidson Hawaii tee.
Wow.
With a hula girl on the back. I don't know what this will sell for, but I love selling Harley tees. Probably at least 20 bucks. Okay, this is an Adidas Ferrari, full zip. Love like the fancy car collab brands sell great. Pre-owned, these are going for like 40 bucks.
Huh.
This is in really good condition, so.
I thought it would have been more. Nice.
An Air Jordan full zip hoodie. I just love Air Jordan, I love Nike for $1.
Buck.
So this is a great deal. This is 30 bucks.
That's a good pickup.
Okay, so two, and then this one didn't have a price on it. So 2.5.
Another 2.
Okay, perfect. Here, we'll do 10. Keep the change. Thank you so much. So I don't, this is Valentina, not Valentino. And I'm
Which
gonna,
one's the good
it says genuine leather made in Italy. So the good one's Valentino, but when I saw comps, they still were like 20, 30 bucks. So for something like this, yeah, 20 bucks for from two, that's fine with me. Vera Bradley, I picked up quite a bit of Vera Bradley today. It's a nice purse and backpack bag brand. This is another 25, 30 bucks. And then this is a brand called Margot. This is a like leather crossbody, paid 5 bucks. This is like maybe up to 40, 50 bucks for this. So yeah.
We got the best ones.
Yeah.
So
Yeah, they are. Aren't
They're
these
for you or for
amazing?
kids?
How much for the Princess Polly dress?
Oh, how's $10? It's a pretty nice dress.
I
much?
can't do 10.
5.
Okay, 10. Yeah, 10 for both.
Okay,
So 5,
great,
5. Okay,
great, great.
perfect.
Okay,
Thank you so much. This booth, she wanted 10 for the dress, but I talked her down to 5. This is Princess Polly,
Savvy.
which is a cute brand. It's like a little, summer floral dress, cottage core. This is probably 25 bucks. And then I love the slip-on Vans. The floral ones are great. These are probably like 30 bucks. So great. And then she actually called me out and was like, "What's that camera?" Thank you so much.
What's your cool camera?
And I was like, I just like to film my little adventures. Oh, it's
What
a
do you use
GoPro.
that
I
for?
film my little adventures
Do
every
you?
yard sale Saturday, so I
cute.
like to document what I find.
Nice.
I don't know what to say when people call out the camera. Okay, so 3, 5, and 10. So 18 for the shoes.
Okay.
Okay, perfect. Thank you so much.
Have a good one.
Oh my gosh! You got airlock!
Yeah, okay, I know. Hear me out.
Whoa!
So if it were
Haven't seen
Converse,
those
I would have been
a
super
while.
excited. But these
Wait,
are
Wait, you're not
fully-
excited about airlock?
no. But these are like a full lace-up retro Y2K style sneaker. I think these will sell for at least $40, maybe more, because this is very popular. If it were Converse, they'd be worth well over $100. Some more, these are actual Converse. They do obviously need a magic eraser, but that's actually not hard to clean up. I do like the high top Chuck Taylors. Those are great. This whole booth was like vintage inspired retro stuff. These are some Colin Stewart platform flip-flops. I think these will sell, these were just a few dollars. I think they'll sell for 25. Okay, how much for the hoodie?
22, but if
Oh.
you need something lower.
I was thinking like 10, but it's okay. 10 bucks? Okay. Perfect. All right, there you go. Thank you so much. This is a Nike hoodie. It is more recent. She wanted $22 for it.
Ooh.
I talked her down to 10, but I think that's fine because I do think I'll sell it for like 30, but still like, I probably overpaid.
Well,
Dang it.
keep it for yourself, then you underpaid.
There we go. Okay, so I am like 2 hours late to the start of this community yard sale, which is very much not like me because you guys know my motto with yard sales is, if you're not first, you're last. But it's only because I spent so much time at that like swap meet. So here I am. I'm going to see if I can find anything good, even though I'm a little bit late. Crossing my fingers that I can still pick up some great stuff. Hi. Thank you so much. Perfect. So there's 7 of these. So $2 each, 14. Perfect. Okay. And then
It's brand new.
brand new.
So, yeah.
Okay. Awesome. Yeah, I'll grab this too. Perfect. So $19.
20.
Perfect. Thank you so much. Okay. This might be the weirdest thing I've ever bought at a yard sale, but I think it's worth a ton of money. Saints and Angels Oracle cards. They were just $2 each, but this one I saw comps for like 40 bucks on eBay.
Did you just look up one comp and then just bought them all?
Yeah.
And cross your fingers?
Yeah, 40
Okay.
bucks, 35 bucks.
It's
Dealing with
just like-
angels, soul oracle cards, angel card reading kit. Well, okay, lowest range is like 20. So 2 to 20 is still 10x.
14
7.
bucks.
7 times 30. What's that? 210?
210.
I think this was
Wow.
14 into 210.
Awesome.
Easily. Because they're all in like new condition.
Cool.
Maybe the best option for these would be to just bundle them and sell them all together for like 150
Altogether.
or like 100 bucks. And then it's 14 into 100 or something. I'll think of something because again, I don't want to hold on to it forever. Or just send them to Amazon. We'll figure it out.
Okay, these are fortune telling cards.
Yeah.
Not Magic the Gathering.
You thought they were Magic the
I
Gathering
had
cards.
no idea. Okay.
Okay.
Well, here's what we're gonna do.
Okay.
I don't know anything about this, but maybe your audience does. This
Okay.
is the future.
The Orion Gate. So service, transformation, golden age acceptance, and joyful empowerment. That's also, they sound great. So someone who's knowledgeable with this in the comments
Yeah.
below, please let me know
Tell us
what this
we just
means.
stumbled on.
What does this mean for me? And then this was $5. It is an internal DVD CD writer. And
That
it's in new
is
condition.
worth $4.
This is like 50 bucks.
No, it's not.
So all of this is more in the vein of what I used to sell a lot of. And so I feel like some people are like, oh, you're branching out. No, I used to actually do mostly this, but I just started specializing in clothing and shoes. So I think it makes the videos a little bit more interesting if I find more stuff like this. So I'll try to include more fun, unique things from now on. Probably 20 bucks for that. And then,
Hey, it's compatible with Windows 98.
Yep, I got it. Have a good day.
so $6 for these? Okay, great. This pair of Seychelles, this is an Anthropologie brand. These are like some little booties, another 30 bucks easily. And because she had Anthropologie shoes, I was like, oh, she probably has Anthropologie clothes. And she did. She had a Guinevere, that's the Anthropologie brand, little like ruffle cardigan. So this is a Free People. This is the next yard sale. She wanted $10 for it. This is a super long duster cardigan. This is actually the Santa Cruz cardigan. And she wanted 10. I talked her down to 8. And I think this will sell for 50 bucks. So that's kind of why I wanted it. So I got these for my son. There's some Jordans, high tops. They're in rough shape, but I can clean them up and make them cute for him. I think they're fun. He destroys shoes, so why not destroy some cool Nikes?
Great.
Some Eileen Fisher pants. Love Eileen Fisher. Kind of casual, rich, Monte Carlo elegance. Yeah, these will sell for like at least 30. This is a Max Mara wrap top. Max Mara is a luxury brand. Absolutely love it. This will probably sell for at least 30, 40. Okay, this lady was selling her Sensi's for $1 for these each, and then
Whoa.
$5 for that.
A buck?
These sell for 15 and this sells for about 30. So 60 bucks out of 6. That's not bad. Last but not least, I got 2 Vera Bradley backpacks. These sell for over $100 new. They were $3 each. I think I could sell them for like 50 bucks each. Back to school, I feel like backpacks will sell pretty easily right now, so I'm thrilled.
How does the quality of those compare to a JanSport?
They're honestly probably the same.
Oh.
Yeah. I think I paid about $100 for
Wow.
everything. into 1,000. That's what I love, 10x on a Saturday.
Yeah, we always used to say it was a great Saturday.
Great
If
Saturday.
you 10x.
And those tarot cards or whatever were a crazy find.
And now you know your future.
Now I know my future.
So it's a
Yeah.
win-win.
Looks like good things are on the horizon. Well, thank you so much for tuning in today, you guys. I appreciate you so much. I love having you tag along for these adventures with me. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe if you want all kinds of content about finding fun things to sell online. Crew is done. Thanks again, you guys. Take care, and I'll catch you next time.